Welcome to the class, children. Now we are going to discuss about your English revision question papers. And for all you, welcome and a good morning to everybody. Now we are going to discuss about your formative assessment question paper revision. First, main fill in the blanks with dash ing form of the verbs given in the box. Here we are going to give some few words in the clue kit. That means in the end or in the fill in the blanks and some box will be given or flower bracket will be given. There will be given 4 or 5 answers will be given for your references, and take that answers and add ing form to that verb after finish the fill in the blank. First fill in the blanks will be the boys are running. Here run. Run will be the answer, but as in the earlier only we mentioned that ing form will be added. That's why the boys are running. And as usual, the second question or second fill in the blanks will be I like play, but we are going to add ing form, so it becomes I like to playing cricket. And third one is the fish is swimming in the water. Where the fish will be live, it should be live in the water, so the fish is swimming in the water. Fourth one, Nalini is reading the newspaper. What she is doing? She was reading. She was read means we are going to add ing form for the fill in the blank. The girls are dancing. And then pass on to second main. Rearrange the words to frame meaningful sentences. Here the jumbled words will be given for you. Jumbled means mixing the words given for you, and in that we are making into as to the sentences it should be meaningful one. And here first we are going to start all the sentences will be begin with the help of Ramana Maharshi. And here the first sentence will be sage a Ramana Maharshi was. Sentence will be given with the jumbled words, and we are make that into meaningful sentence means Ramana Maharshi was a sage. Here we are going to answer like that one. Means Ramana Maharshi first comes, after was will be appeared, and then a and then sage, and it will becomes a meaningful sentence. Animals and birds Ramana Maharshi loved. Here also we can start with Ramana Maharshi, and he was loved animals and birds. Afterwards, third one, people to kill never allowed snakes Ramana Maharshi, and we are making that as Ramana Maharshi will write first and then never allowed and then people and then to kill snakes. Here the sentence will be Ramana Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes. And then fourth one, first animals fed the Ramana Maharshi. Ramana Maharshi fed the animals first. Afterwards, he was going to eat the food. And then third one, give the plural form of the following word. Here we are knowing about that the something about to the singular and plural. We are already knowing about that. Singular means one, plural means so many or more than one. Here deer, it should be deer only. And then forest will become, adding with yes, it becomes forest. And then friend will become friends. Authority will become authorities. And afterwards, community is going to be written as communities. And then pass on to next page. Here, write the past tense forms of the words. And the words will be given as pray. Pray will becomes prayered. We are going to add ed for that pray, and it will forms as past tense as prayed. Drag will becomes dragged. Refuse will become refused. Give will becomes gives. Ask will becomes asked. And kill we are going to write written as killed. And now pass on to fifth main. Choose the opposites of the following words given in brackets. And here the opposite words will be given, and we can make the opposite words for that earlier words. Never, always, and remember, forget, happy, unhappy, finish, start, quit, hold. Here never means it we are not going to get never. Remember means we are remembering something. And happy with the opposite will be unhappy. Finish means we are going to finish our work, and that means the opposite will be start. Quit means we are going to get let loosen, and hold means we are holding that one. Now pass on to state sixth main. State the following statements are true or false. We have to say that word should be true or false. Daman and Pityas were lovers of truth. Okay, have heard about the lesson. Is it should be a true or false? Daman and Pityas were always lovers of truth. You are knowing about that. Okay, can you tell me? Okay, coming on to the answer. It should be true. Dionysius was a kind ruler. Yeah, we are already heard that he was a kind ruler. It should be true only. And then passing on to the third one. Damon wanted to settle his family affairs before he died. Here Damon is going to Dionysius. Damon is going to be settled his family or Pythias? Here Pythias is going to be settle his family, though Damon not. That's why this answer should be false. The king was sure that Pythias would return. The king was, the answer should be false, because the king Pythias was never having any hope towards Pythias, and he was thinking that he would never come to the court. Likewise, he was going to be thinking. That's why the answer should be false. Damon was ready to die for his friend. Yeah, Damon and Pythias were true friends, and they are also the lovers of truth. So he was going to die for the sake of his friend. It should be true. Now pass on to the question and answer. Here, where were Lucy and Nitin going? The Lucy and Nitin are returning home from school. They are already going towards to the school. So they were returning home from the school. And how did he feed the peacocks? Who? Here, how did he feed the peacocks? Here he means Ramana Maharshi. Ramana Maharshi feed the peacocks by making sounds of their cries. They would go to him and eat peanuts, rice and mangoes. What color is the elephant? You have observed about the elephant in a picture or in somewhere in the TVs, and have observed that how its color should be. What is the color of the elephant? It is always grey color. The elephant is of grey color only. How is the elephant's trunk? You have observed about his trunks, and also you are observed about how many legs are they having. it is having 4 legs. But here our answer should be, how is the elephant's trunk? The trunk of elephant is so long. Where did Damon and Pythias live? Where did the Damon and Pythias be lived? Damon and Pythias lived in Syracuse. Syracuse is in Greece. Okay, thank you. Damon and Pythias lived in Syracuse. Syracuse is in Greece. Here, who was the ruler of Syracuse? And here, who is the ruler of the Syracuse? Syracuse was ruled by the king Dionysius, and he was a kind ruler, and that was ruled by Dionysius. And what does the child like to go? Where does the child like to go? Or what does the child like to go? Child like to go beside the shadow of the tree. Here the child will be wishes to go beside the shadow of the tree. Why it is go to the beside the shadow of the tree? Because it thinks the tree will give something towards to her happiness. And now pass on to eighth question. Why does the wind come to the child? Why does the wind come to the child? The wind comes to take something over the grass. Here the wind will comes towards to the child for taking something over the grass. So the wind will be appears. And here, why was Prem sad? Why the Prem is going to become sad? Prem was, when the Prem was going towards to the school and he was coming from the school, he was entered into the forest and he was observed or heard about that. Prem was heard the forest trees will soon be cut down. So he came home sad and worried. Here he was thinking that the forest should be going to be cut down. So he was going to become worried. And what does the tree give each year? And we pass on to the tamarind tree. The tree gives fruits and shade towards to the peoples, those who are taking the shelter, and it also gives shelter to the animals or the birds, and it also the birds also going to make their nests onto the tree. Likewise, the tree is helpful towards to the birds and the animals and those who are the passerbys. Okay. Thank you, children. You should practice once again and once again. If you are knowing about to the question and answer, read once again. And also, we should tell you the thank you for once again.